Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your Framer account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type framer.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of Framer. You can scroll down and look at all the features and facilities provided. You can also scroll among the nav bar and look at all the functionalities provided as well. At the rightmost section of the screen, next to the Start for Free button, you will find something like Login. Simply click on it. Now you're going to be redirected to the login page. It will now give you two options: to log in using your Google account or simply your email. It's completely up to you to choose either Google or email, depending upon what method you use to sign up. I'm going to enter my email address right here. As you can see, I have already entered my email address. I'm simply going to click on continue. Now it says an activation link has been sent. Let's go to Gmail right now. Here is the link that says open Framer. Simply click on it. And there you have it guys. You have successfully logged into your Framer account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you log into Framer. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.